Yes, as you can see, our home is finally livable. After the chaos we experienced from our contractor, this is our home now. Actually, since September pa po livable yung bahay, but it is just this month na nagkaroon kami ng kumpletong gamit. A lot of you already know what happened to this house and now it is our humble home. More than 140,000 views na rin ang inabot from all of our social media accounts and it is more than enough for me to read all of your comments and support. Yung storage na nakikita nyo with fluted panel has a lot of imperfections since kami lang ni Shea ang gumawa niyan. Also with the TV storage below, we put a sticker on it so please don't judge us. Here's Shelo and Chico, say hello! If napanood nyo yung IKEA mini vlog, ito po yung Sandsberg as our dining table while the chairs came from Black App. As you can see rin sa counter bar namin, si Sheena lang din ang nagpalitada niyan. We're not skilled enough to make it perfect. Yung bar stool naman came from Orange App. And as you can see, the touch of red paint, ruler and paper plate holder lang po ang ginamit ko to trace the line and make a wavy shape. Then Sheena and I nagtulungan to paint. Again, it has a lot of flaws but for us, it's decent. Let's go sa kitchen. Sadly, wala pa kaming cabinet sa kitchen dahil isa ito sa hindi sinimula nung naunang contractor. But we can manage naman. Nag-canvas din kasi ako for the cabinets pero hindi pa talaga namin afford. Just to share with you also, puro electric po ang gamit namin. Induction, rice cooker, coffee maker, and such. Gandang-ganda talaga ako pag tumatama yung araw sa area na to. It feels bright and feels home. The vibe is giving. Dito naman tayo sa CR. Naalala nyo kung gaano to kalala dati? Ito na siya ngayon. Isa rin to sa paborito kong part sa bahay. Wala lang, ang aliwalas lang kasi at ang gandang tignan. Itong spider plant is from Plantito, Garden Gentry. 50 pesos lang din yan but without pot. Yung round mirror, meron din yan sa Black App. Add ko lang din sa showcase. And here's our altar. Very simple lang and of course, never mawawala si mama at papa kahit nasa picture na lang sila. Sa bottom part naman, ayan yung move-in ritual. Consists of coins, rice, sugar, salt, water, and cotton. All of these religious stuff were bought from Quiapo. Yung DIY beads po if you're familiar. Except for this crucifix na galing sa Orange App and yung Bible rin. Let's go here sa guest room. May pa-guest room. Sige, second room na lang. So ayan, lahat ng brown na nakikita nyo, kami na lang din nagpaint ni Sheena para makalas sa labor. Again, hindi po perfect paint ha. Yung iba namin gamit, dito na rin namin nilagay. Di naman siya sagabal and makalat tignan as long as naka-arrange. So dito sa kwartong to, walang kama pero may extra foam kami na gamit namin nung nasa Manila pa. From my home renovation gone wrong vlog, maraming nag-o-offer na sila na raw magtatapos. Pero just to inform din po, which is stated din sa vlog, na May to August 15 pa po yung disaster and nagkaroon na po ako ng second contractor. So now, we're contented sa kung anong meron at natapos sa bahay namin. Here's our bedroom with a small office area. Shoutout ko na rin yung pinsan kong si Ate Jonah na nagregalo ng office chairs namin kasi nakita niya na monoblock lang yung ginagamit namin. Super thank you. Then, yung size pala ng bed namin is family size or also known as full double, which is 54 by 75 inches and yung width niya is 5 inches. Yung aircon naman namin is 3 years old na. At sa buong buhay ko, ito yung pinakakauna-unahang aircon na nabili ko through home credit na napag-graduatean ko na rin. 1 megabox drawer nga rin pala muna gamit namin since ang mahal niyan. The rest of our clothes is nasa ilalim ng bed pero nakalagay sa storage. So there, just a quick and specific house tour. Thank you!